Today I'm going to replace the under door seal on my front door. For as long as I've lived in this house, which is only about a year, there's been a draft come from the front door. I do not have a screen door on our front door. So I am going to replace the under door seal with a new seal. If I put my hand right there, I can feel cold air. Not good for the heating bills, not good for keeping this living room, our main room, warm. So I'm going to replace it. I'm going to try to attempt to do it without taking the door off as well. It is a very cold day. It's about 43 degrees Fahrenheit right now, and I would really like to replace it without removing the door. I think I can do it. I also got this under door seal kit from the Home Depot. I'll put a link in the description of exactly what I got. You can get it too if you want. But we'll see. We'll see what I got to do. The first thing I need to do is remove the old seal. I don't think it's going to be too hard, but I'll figure it out really quick. So pretty quickly I figured out it has been nailed to the bottom of the door. The nails aren't too long, and I think I can get it out without taking off the door. So here's my old strip. Here's the nails. It does have all these little metal spikes. I only stabbed myself a few times. It'll be alright. So looking at the bottom of my door, someone tried to repair this at one time with some really small screws. Screws that aren't even made to do what they tried to do. So I'm just going to take my hacksaw and I'm just going to lop them off. There's no need for those screws to even come out. My new weather strip, we'll take it out of the package. It comes with its own screws, and it looks like it just pops on and screws on. Hopefully that's it. That should be nice. If you look at my old strip, it once had a seal in the front. I don't know if it had any in the back, but they're non-existent anymore. And you can tell that this nail, these nails, this screw rusted out. So, yeah, no good. All these screws, I was just able to pry out. They're super easy. They were all rusted. Pretty nasty. Here's my new seal, and from what I can tell, it just pops in from the directions. It just pops on like this and screws on the back. I need to make sure it's the right width and then cut it down to the right width. I do have these screw holes on the back of this new seal, and I want them to line up evenly on the door, so I don't just want to cut one side. If I cut some off of one side, I'm going to cut it off of both. From what I can tell, I think this door is exactly the same width as the seal, so I'm just going to dry fit it and then see if I can shut the door without applying the screws. So as of right now, the seal is too tight on the bottom and the door won't shut. So I got to figure that out. So I took the seal off and I shut the door. I'm not sure why it's not shutting. Maybe I need to give it a little bit of force the first couple times to see if it'll shut better. I'm not opposed to using something like hairspray or something as a little bit of a lubricant at first to see if it's maybe too tight. So I'm going to put it back on and then go from there. So this time what I did was I put it on all the way and then I push it up with my hands to make sure that it was snug. I'm not sure why it didn't work the first time, but this time it works. It is a little tight. I'm not gonna lie, it is a little tight and it's a little bit hard to shut the door. It doesn't lift the door, it doesn't move the frame. I made sure of that. I'm gonna put it on and then I'm gonna wait and give it some time, and maybe those strips will wear just a little bit to where that the door will be easier to shut. But I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna take the draft away, and if this doesn't work, I'll come back to you with an update and another solution. So with the door closed and all the way compressed, I'm gonna put these little screws in. They're just Phillips screws. This is a metal outside door, so I am gonna pre-drill them. So that's it. I did it. Super easy, and I didn't even have to take the door off. You can do this too. If you have a lot of air coming out from under your door, or any at all, you can replace the seal. I didn't even remove the door. Super easy. Maybe there's a better product out there for this. Maybe there's a better product that I don't know about. Let me know about it in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. Also, subscribe. There's plenty more videos of like this out there of mine, and more to come. Thanks for watching.
See you later. I'm going to eat dinner.